it's Hammerhead and it is moving day. Okay, well, I'm not moving everything today. I'm moving over the next few days, but today is the first day. I got my keys to our new house, I got our keys to our new flat yesterday, which, like, holy cow, I have a new flat with one of my best friends. Anyway, special, love it, love it. And she just landed in London about 20 minutes ago, and I have to leave in like 15 minutes to go meet her at our new flat. And so I want to pack up like a little carry-on, that way I can just take one thing. Let's get to it. I'm also just gonna like do like the random stuff in my drawers that I don't really need. Like, I don't need a tube top in the next few weeks. I won't need my cute white shorts in the next few days. Like, I haven't ordered a new bed for my place because it's not furnished like this one is. So I have to buy a bed. So me and my friend are gonna be coming back here so that we can sleep in a bed. It's gonna be a slow kind of move of stuff. That is 2 drawers, mostly empty. Amazing. Welcome to the new room. It's so much bigger than my old room. But yeah, get used to this background-ish. This is the new place. Minsa and I went shopping and we got just like some necessities like soap, towels, dish soap, just like random things that we're gonna need for the house. We're gonna have to get more. Obviously, we're gonna need to get like pots and pans and dishware and stuff, but right now, you know, baby steps, you gotta get a little bit at a time. So I'm just gonna unpack and then we're gonna go back to my place. That way we can sleep in a bed tonight. We did some more moving today and we're gonna go to IKEA right now and I'm gonna look at some beds. Minsa already ordered hers, so I'm gonna take a little gander. And then we're gonna get some little bits and bobs, you know, drinkware, glassware, dishware. So let's head to IKEA. We are currently in West Ham trying to pick up a trash can from Facebook Marketplace.
Oh my god.
And we don't know where the guy is, but new trash can incoming. We got it, yay! It's moving day! It's officially moving day, very exciting. I booked a man with a van. He's coming at 4:30, if I'm not mistaken, which is great. It's currently 12:30 right now, and I don't have too much stuff to finish packing, but very exciting news. I have 2 job interviews today. I had one this morning at 10 a.m., and I think it went really well, so hopefully I hear back for round 2, and then I have another job interview at 1:40 today. So, Mama is busy, she's working, and we need to finish packing our room today, so lots going on today. Lots going on today. But let's grab our next suitcase and let's finish getting our stuff in the wardrobe in the suitcase. In this one, I want to put most of like the rest of my clothes in there. Clothes are officially out of the closet. I just have like a few pairs of shoes in there. Very exciting. I guess because I'm moving, I can say where I lived the past few weeks. The past few months. I've been living in the Hackney area in East London. and I really, really like East London. I've had so much fun living over here. It's just a very cool part of town. It's like, it's very lively, and there's so many cool bars and restaurants and pubs, and it's just a very nice, lively place. So I'm really excited to see what West London will be like. I know it's going to be a different vibe, but I think it's still going to be a good vibe, and I still think I'm going to enjoy it a lot. And y'all, I can't wait to do like a proper like house tour. I love our new place. I think it's so cute. I think it's just perfect. It's just a really perfect spot. It's beautiful. It's basically exactly what we wanted. And it's been so much fun decorating it with Minsaw and kind of like being like, okay, well, what do we want our, you know, plates to be? What do we want our this to be? Like, just kind of figuring out all like the more like minor things. It's been really fun shopping with her and like decorating the house. So we're not done yet. We're not anywhere near being done, but that's okay. One suitcase is full. We have another one empty, and we have shoes and then like random things in drawers. So I think we should be good. But it's almost 1 and I haven't gotten an email link for my second interview yet, so I'm gonna reach out to her and then continue packing. I'm tired of packing. I'm tired of moving. I hate moving so much. All my suitcases are filled. I don't know where to put this. I just have that to put away, and then I'm mostly done. I'm so tired. I hate this. We did it, and now we just need to move it up the stairs one more time. We officially have all of our things in our new flat. Left the keys at the old flat, and now we officially need to open my mattress, so let's do this. Okay, here's the room so far. Just undid my bed. I think I'm gonna have it like this. And then my wardrobe's over there. There's no hangers, so I'm just gonna have everything folded like so. And then I have a lot of shelving in here. So I need to take that out. But I have a big room to myself, and I'm very happy. So yay.